Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a behind the scenes of my styling workshop. As you guys already know, I did a styling workshop, but I never came on YouTube and shared how my experience was, how I prepared for everything and how it all went. So if you are interested to know what all went behind the scenes, then this is the video for you. And if you are planning to host any kind of styling workshop, this video will be very helpful. Or not just styling workshop, any workshop for that matter. This video is definitely going to help you. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm gonna divide this video into 5 parts, and before we start with the video I want to tell you guys कि क्या हुआ था. So there was a chic fair and it was an open exhibition. Anybody could come and exhibit, and anybody could come and shop. So they asked me if I wanted to put up a workshop, and I was more than thrilled to say yes. So I gave a styling workshop in which I told them how you can style different things in different ways, what kind of color palettes are trending, and all about that. So the first thing which came to my mind was that if anybody is coming to my workshop, I should give them something back. Like obviously I'll be sharing my knowledge, but I wanted to give them something materialistic as well. So I thought, what is a better idea than a certificate, because I have a professional degree in fashion design and styling, so I can give certificates, right? So I designed some very beautiful certificates which said that you attended a workshop by Style by Mohini, and I got them printed. Also I jotted down this points which I wanted to discuss in the seminar. I also got a printout of that, like all the topics were mentioned in that brochure. So everybody who came got those 2 sheets जिसमें सारी details लिखी थी क्या क्या सिखाने वाली हूँ मैं, and then there was also certificates at the end of the workshop for everybody who attended. I wasn't really sure that how many people would turn up, so I created 3 gift hampers जिसमें सारा कुछ बहुत ही personalized मैंने खुद pick किया था. And yeah, now go see that clip. So guys, these are what I have designed. These are the first 2 topics and these are the rest 3 topics. These 5 topics will be covered, and then we have the styling workshop certificate. इसका काफ़ी अच्छा print निकला है, काफ़ी अच्छी sheet है. And these are the 3 things. अभी इनके samples निकले हैं. अब ये 50-50 I'm getting them printed. Guys, these are done and they look amazing. And this is what the thing looks like, the handout. And here's Gulleen. She won't be coming tomorrow, but she's here to support me today. Yes. So yeah, this is what we have. Yeah, 50 copies each. Guys, we are looking for the fabrics for the stall. This is one option, but ये fabric कम है. This is one good option. ये वाला मुझे नीचे वाला ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. ये भी ठीक है, but I think this is better. ये blue और ये white ये 2 कर सकते हैं.
ब्लू और ये लेना.
पिंक मुझे इसका प्रिंट थोड़ा कम अच्छा लग रहा है.
रहने दो फिर.
ये वाला अच्छा लग रहा है और एक ये भी अच्छा लग रहा है.
तो 2 ही कपड़े
है ना.
2 मीटर ये.
So we have finalized one this fabric and this one. ये थोड़ा खोलना है इसको. ये दोनों fabrics लिए हैं. इनके color combination भी matching है and दोनों ही बहुत सुंदर लगेंगे scarves में. Guys, I'm looking for some tassels for the scarves. These are the ones I like, and I'm here to buy these lifafas for putting the goodies and stuff. But ये सब बहुत बड़े size के हैं और मुझे इतने सारे नहीं चाहिए. These are like a pack of 10 or something. These are very cute. दिखाना है, खोलना है. ये I really like this. इसमें velcro and this is a proper bag. And I think I will get this. दे दो भैया 3 दो. Guys, we have packed these 3 for the 3 gifts. For the first winner, second and third. इनमें मैं आपको quickly दिखा देती हूँ क्या है. There's one scarf जिसका fabric हम लेने गए थे. There's one scrunchie, one pearl earring, and जो 4th चीज़ है वो सब में change है. इसमें BB cream है, and in this we have a nail art thingy, and in this we have a face serum. So these are the things, and I'm in love with the bags. So there will be 3 winners tonight. I'm very excited. The second main task was picking up an outfit. I was very confused, like what should I pick, and you know उस दिन बहुत ही messy date हुआ था. I went to Zara. I almost spent 3 to 4 hours. That was the max I've ever spent in Zara. It was a very difficult choice to pick the outfit, but I finally did it. So guys, I'm at Zara. These are my tentative pieces, and कल के लिए क्या पहना I really have no clue. I'm gonna try them on. I'll show you guys them here, and let's figure out what to wear. So guys, this is one option. Like it but don't love it. This is one option, but you know I had a dress like this जिसमें straps थे, बस इसमें sleeves दूसरी हैं. Otherwise this is how it looks like. सबसे अभी तक यही ठीक लगा है. This is also an option, but I hate this outfit. Like, literally hate how this looking on me. Hate it. Guys, मेरी बस हो गई है. This is one outfit, but this is way too short. I'm really panicking right now. मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा कि क्या पहनूं और क्या नहीं. Guys, this is one option. This is how the skirt and top looks like. The top is a very deep neck. उफ, क्या करूँ मैं? बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है. After spending 3 hours in Zara, this is what I finalized. I'm not very happy, but I think this is something which I can, you know, style it up and style it down, and यही बचा in the end मेरे पास option. Let's see how to style this up. Otherwise I'll wear something which I already have. Peace out. Let's go home. The third topic I want to cover is setting up the place and packing all the stuff. So I made a list of everything I wanted to carry. मैंने 2-3 दिन पहले जब से मैंने सिलेबस बनाया था कि मेरे को क्या क्या कवर करना है, मैंने सारी चीज़ें अपने फ़ोन में नोट्स में लिख ली थी. एंड मैंने 2 दिन से ही मैंने सामान इकट्ठा करना शुरू कर दिया था. लास्ट डे आई जस्ट put everything in the attachi and I just took it. And obviously before like I did that, I went in the morning to see where the place is going to be. I wanted my stand to be there, like clothing rack, because I wanted to display different type of clothes. So clothing rack सुबह वहीं जाके assemble किया गया, and I saw the place. I got everything fixed according to what I wanted, how I wanted the seating to be. I just got there in the morning, did all that, and then I also packed everything and took that in the evening. Good morning guys, it's the exhibition day and I have Poonam Didi and Bhabhi with me right here. हम अभी setup करने आए हैं. This is the stand, these are my invitations, and let's go. This is the venue. Hi guys, so we are here at the venue. This is one entry. These are 2 tables behind. ये हैं मेरे अच्छे friends and sisters. ये हमारा वो set करे clothing rack, and this is one hall. Let me show you guys nicely. This is the hall. One option is to have the workshop in middle here, which I'm not so happy about, and the preps are still going on. Hi Aishwarya. Here are her pretty suits. Then here's Ambika setting up her cute tuck shop. And there are very beautiful highway bakers के 2 stalls, and that's a pop-up I think. And then this is one rasta to come. This is the second hall. These are also very nice tables. Actually I should show you from the other side. So these are 2 tables, and there's one here. Hi. And here's Pavni. Pavni is also setting up a table for candles. Guys, I'm packing my clothes, footwear, shoes for the fashion basics segment. I'm also going to carry these hangers. Let's start packing. Next point, the 4th point, getting ready. It was a huge task. As you guys just saw, it was a very difficult thing to, you know, pick out the outfit, but once I did it, I wanted to style it in a very nice way. So I did a little scarf thingy at the neck, because you know it just elevated the look to the notch level. I also wanted my hair to look like very different than it usually does. So I went to my trusted hairstylist and I asked him to do my hair straight, but I didn't want them to be like flat from here. I wanted a little bounce, but I wanted them super straight. So he did that and it looked amazing. Also for my footwear, I wanted, you know, to give a nice height to my body, and the dress was like ankle length. So अगर मैं नीचे कुछ भी बंद footwear पहनती तो मेरी height cut होती, but if I wanted elongated height, so I had to wear something transparent. Like with transparent, what happens is all your feet is visible and then, you know, a little bit of your leg is visible. तो सारा long आपको visual देता है longer legs का. So I wanted that look, so इसलिए I went for some transparent heels. Also, I wanted मेरी look थोड़ी elevate हो जाए, तो also I wore lenses, which I showed you guys in a vlog. I got them for my birthday. I forgot to wear them on my birthday, so I wore them on the styling workshop, and I'm very happy I did because they were looking stunning. It was a little difficult for me because, you know, it was the first time I was wearing lenses, but it went well. Hi guys, so सब packing हो गई है, बहुत सारे कपड़े उठाने थे, सब उठा लिए हैं. अब बस मैं जा रही हूँ अपने बाल रेडी कराने. मैं अभी नहा के आई हूँ, मेरे को बाल वॉश कराने हैं, and then I have to get them straightened today. मैं usually straight hair करती नहीं हूँ, but I feel like doing them today, so I'm gonna do that. And पहले मुझे ये लग रहा था लोग आएंगे नहीं आएंगे, I was very nervous, but now the thing is a lot of people have confirmed that they're coming, and I'm very confused कि यार जो होगा सब अच्छे से हो जाएगा ना. Like I really need a cup of coffee before heading on to the event, and now I'm gonna go. And because मेरे को अभी it is 3:43 right now, I hope to be back by 4:30 and I can get ready in half an hour, leave by 5, reach there by 5:20, 5:30, and my session is at 6:30, so I think हो जाएगा manage, but still very nervous and anxious, but I hope everything goes well. And yeah, let's go. Hi guys, it's 4:30 यहीं पे, and but I know my hair will look good, so थोड़ा लेट हो जाएंगे, कोई बात नहीं. Okay, coming back to the final part. The final part was actually the workshop. I was very nervous at the start. After getting ready, I was like, oh my god, when I'm gonna do. इतनी nervous मैं अपनी life में कब हुई थी मुझे याद नहीं है. इससे मतलब I've never been this nervous before anything, and I was way too nervous, way too anxious before the event, but all my, you know, close friends were there to support me, so it really, you know, helped me. Now I would just want you guys to go watch the clips of the actual workshop. Guys, we're ready, and here's my team. Poonam Didi, Shan, Bhavi. Here we are. Oh shit, fun. So guys, we're here. I'm ready, and I don't know. Here's Deepthi. My workshop. Thank you. My workshop's gonna happen there. अभी उधर चल रही है already makeup workshop. As soon as it gets over, it's gonna be mine. And here's Manat. And here's everybody else setting up the place. And Mama, Poonam Didi. Hi, Tanuja. Tanuja is also here. Hi, Tanuja. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, Monica.
All right, everyone. First of all, again, round of applause for Jade Fair, the most awaited Mohini Marwaha. Please, a huge round of applause for Mohini Marwaha. It's about to start in the next 5 minutes in the lift lobby. So guys, do support their craft and keep sharing our content, and huge round of applause again for the organizers and the team. Thank you so much.
To be a smart shopper. Shopping करना किसको नहीं पसंद है ना? We all love shopping. But in this workshop, I'm going to tell you कि आपको क्या खरीदना चाहिए, क्या smart shopping होती है और क्या नहीं होती है. So we'll be talking about that. And fashion basics. I have all my fashion basics. Like बहुत मुश्किल था ये pieces pick करना. क्योंकि I have a lot of clothes, but I wanted to pick the best out of them. And ये अगर आपके wardrobe में है, इसके अलावा आपको कपड़े नहीं चाहिए. So we'll be talking all about that. So are we excited?
Oh yeah.
So again, okay. White footwear, white watch, golden उठाया तो golden सारा कुछ. Black पास पे accessories में black है safest option. like अगर black earrings सबके पास होते हैं, black bag सबके पास होता है. कोई नहीं होगा जिसके पास एक black bag. Black footwear. अगर आपने किसी भी कलर का आउटफिट पहना है, footwear और bag और accessories मैच करिए ना, आपकी लुक हंसी जाना चली जाती है and it looks amazing. So इसलिए मैंने socks नहीं पहनी होती. Okay. So guys, we're done with the workshop. It went amazing. जितने footfall expected थी उससे ज़्यादा थी. I'm not even taking one certificate home. And everybody, please tell me how was the workshop?
Perfect. Perfect. Way too good.
Yay! Makes me so happy. And I didn't show you guys my outfit, so this is how it was looking. And that's Urvashi. And guys, I am very happy and overwhelmed. And you know, मुझे नहीं थी इतनी फुटफॉल एक्सपेक्टेड एंड यहाँ पे बहुत वर्कशॉप थी. आई डो नॉट वांट टू ब्रैग बट एवरीबडी हैज सेड सबसे ज़्यादा फुटफॉल मेरी वर्कशॉप पे थी एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी. थैंक्स
सीरियसली बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा हुआ।
Thank you. And I think I'll end the vlog here. So thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for loving me all the time. And I'll see you guys super soon. उर्वशी एक मिनट आना, मेरे को इधर फोटो कराना। चलो, I'll see you guys. Bye. Okay guys, so you just saw how my journey was for a styling workshop. What all I did, how it went. I didn't really end the vlog in a proper manner, but you know, that styling workshop made me realize that I have a true family and friends, like not just like blood relation wali family, but you guys, a lot of you turned up, and a lot of people turned up whom I don't even know who they are, and it just made me so happy. Like, you guys relate to me, you guys wanted to learn fashion from me. Just, this is for you guys, my heart is for you guys, and I love you guys so much. The styling workshop went very amazing, and I hope and wish to host more super soon. So yeah, till then, love you guys so much. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in another video. I upload videos every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, so stay tuned. Till then, bye bye, love you.